Effective leadership begins within. Leaders who practice self-leadership set the foundation for personal and organizational success. Understanding and managing oneself is the cornerstone of inspiring and guiding others.
Self-leadership empowers leaders to make clear, confident decisions. By understanding their strengths, values, and areas for growth, leaders navigate challenges with greater clarity and resilience. This self-awareness enables leaders to respond thoughtfully instead of reacting impulsively, setting a positive example for their teams.
By modeling self-leadership, leaders foster a culture of accountability and growth. When team members observe their leader practicing self-discipline, setting personal goals, and embracing feedback, they are more likely to adopt these behaviors themselves. This ripple effect encourages continuous improvement and strengthens organizational trust.
Self-leadership is not just a personal asset. It's essential for effective leadership. By leading themselves first, leaders inspire confidence, drive performance, and cultivate a positive, resilient workplace culture.